There are three different types of toxic teachers. Number one is the narcissist. We all know what they're like. Number two is the lazy, negligent one in the corner that just absolutely nothing and puts all the work on somebody else. But the third, and in my opinion, could potentially be the naughtiest or the worst, is, thankfully written just here by this amazing legend, the martyr. The martyr teacher is the worst because they make everyone else feel guilty. They bring the culture down. What do I mean? Well, who here has ever been a teacher like me? I was a teacher 10 years ago for 12 years teaching science and PE. And if I was leaving at, say, 4 o'clock or something like that, there's always that one teacher that likes to go above and beyond what's completely necessary. By the by, there's always fucking work to do as a teacher. Sorry, not sorry. There always is. So you're not going to get it done in a day. So go home. Spend time with your kids. So this person, I remember it distinctly. I was in the, I was doing science, went from science to the other site staff room to do some printing ready for my lessons the next day because I wanted to be on form. And I absolutely smashed it. I was the first one to the printer. It was all good to go. And then I got up, so yeah, cool, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go home. And it only took me 30 minutes. I was going home at 4 o'clock and she said, "Oh, you're going home already, are you?" I'm like, "Yeah, is that all right?" She's like, "No, no reason. I'm staying till probably 6 o'clock, 6:30 tonight." And in my head, I was like, "Good for fucking you." And outside of my head, I was like, "Oh, that's nice." And then just walked away. But the thing is with the martyr, they will just do all, it's almost as if they've got a bit of a chip on their shoulder and they've got their identity is teaching. That even if they're a mother or a father, their identity is teaching, which means that's all they've got, meaning they put their own self-value in their profession, which is fine and understandable, no judgment, but please don't make anyone else feel guilty. Please don't make other people feel bad for wanting to go home to see their families. That's wild. That's absolutely wild. So if you are a teacher that, I don't know, wants to spend time with the family you actually created, then please feel free to go home without having to confirm with the teacher martyr who's not above you, not below you, on the same level as you, making you feel guilty. By the way, when I say make you feel guilty, you feeling guilty is a choice. If you choose to feel guilty, I know how that sounds, by the way, but if you choose to feel guilty, then you're letting the martyr in. Do not let the martyr in. The martyr is in, and when they make you feel bad, that makes them feel good because they're going above and beyond, only because they've falsely attached their identity to their profession. That's all they've got in their life, whereas you have got more going in your life, okay? If you want to go to the gym at 4:30, go to the goddamn gym at 4:30. It's okay. You don't need to let Karen or Sherry know that you're going. It's okay, all right? Just one simple word. "Oh, you're not going already? You're going home already?" Yep. Have a nice day. Little side note on that one. Don't be too mean or cruel or crude because these people tend to have a chip on their shoulder and they may report you to other people. So don't let ego, I'm talking from person spirits, don't let ego overtake and say something you regret. Why? Because they will do whatever they can to make your life difficult because you've offended them. And these people are very sensitive and very easily offended. Okay? So, and I'd love to know, by the way, if you are a teacher, have I missed anything off? So the narcissist, the one that does nothing, and the martyr. Have I missed any other types of toxic teachers? If I have, please let me know in the comments below because I'd love to talk into these.